So from here, we walk along there, and then there's a rock. We're gonna have to, either you can go around the rock this way, up the mountain a bit, or you can walk through the water. Me and Rolly walked through the water because we didn't know there was a path.
Yeah.
So this is the path up the mountain right here.
Yeah.
We went that way because we didn't know.
Yeah.
So. Oh, you might see a salamander. The Japanese salamander. Hold on to that branch.
Oh no. No, no, no. Tevyn, come helping. Oh no. Hi. Hi. Oh shit. I should not have picked these shoes.